Hello guys, I'm Roddy from the AOL CNC. Today, I'm going to introduce a cutting machine for leather. Like this guys, this cutting machine is specialized for leather cutting, and the system is tailored for the leather industry, whether it's artificial leather or the genius leather. Both of them are easily to cut with these machines. This machine measures the length is 4.5 meters, the width is 4 meters, and the height is 1.35 meters. The drive system is right, and the whole machine welding and splicing process. Of course, for the cutting table, we also support the customized service. When we start to cut leather, the process is to check the leather, identify, mark the grades and defects, size the pattern and the number of sides, lay out the calculations, and then start to cut. First of all, it's equipped with a camera. After laying the material, the system takes the pictures of it and extracts the outline. The system identifies the defects on the leather and marks the grades, which is very helpful for the layout. The next step is to layout. We can choose any version to be cut, like this one. And then we can wait around 2 or 3 minutes to complete the version and to complete the layout. At the same time, we can also set other conditions of the typesetting. For example, such as the grade and the way of application or the color difference, etc. Okay, for leather industries, normally we will use 4 different cutting tools: pneumatic knife tools, oscillating knife tools, marking pen, and punching tools. Oscillating tools and pneumatic tools can be used to cut. We can choose them according to the different materials. Punching knife is mainly used to punch holes in the leather, like the holes in the shoes, in a fast way down to achieve the hole production. In addition, we also have raw material bracket, and the receiving table can be chosen. Okay, this is the leather cutting machine's introduction today. So if you are interested, please contact us. I'm Roddy. See you next time.